This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the Mermaid candy wrap. So I'm just going to start by folding my base on all the score lines. Okay, so these pieces here make up our belly band. This pearl is for writing something on if you want. Congratulations, happy birthday, whatever you're using these for. Now each, she comes with two eye choices. She comes with the closed eye, which are my preferred eye. I like those, I just think they're sweet. Or she has just the regular eyes. I've had people who don't care for the closed eye look. I'm gonna assemble her with her closed eyes. You want to make sure that the opening that's in this one leaves her mouth open, okay? And in that space, you are going to put her lips. It's this small oval, fits right in there. Now she has pink lips, okay? I'm gonna put on her hair. Okay, and then we're gonna line up the tail, and over here on the side you can see where her hands go to make sure she's in the correct spot. So see on here you can see her hands and her tail, okay? Getting glue everywhere. All right, now I was saving her head because I don't know if I want to add some dimension to that or not. I don't think it would really do anything, so I'm not going to add the dimension to her head. Okay, and then she should fit side to side, top to bottom here on the wrap, okay? So just line up her head here to this top curve, and the rest of her should fall right into place. All right, now you take your belly band and you don't want to push it real tight because you want it to be able to slide off and on, but we still need it to be secure. So I put glue at the edge of each side. Yeah, push that together a little harder. Okay, so there is the mermaid candy wrap. Thank you for joining me.